Yeah, so far 2018 for me has been up and down, I would say. The start of the year in Phillip Island was strong. We had a strong event in Thailand with the first podium of the year. Obviously 2017 we finished strong with 3 or 4 podiums. So my expectations for this year have been really high. I would say it's not quite gone like I wanted to. There's been a couple of mistakes and just not quite where we need to be, but I feel great on the bike. The team are working really well, and I feel like we're just a little bit off being able to challenge, for victories and podiums every weekend. So yeah, my next goal is to try and win my first race in World Superbike. I don't feel like it's too far away, and obviously I've got my home round coming up this weekend at Donington Park. I expect to challenge for 2 podiums at the least, and hopefully, like I said before, my goal is to get my first victory sooner rather than later. So it would be a dream for me if that happened at Donington Park. I feel like everything's going in the right direction. Last round at Imola was quite tough, but I learnt a lot, and yeah, I'm in a good position and I can expect a great result. Every year the guys at RST come up with something different, something a bit special for my home race. I've had some great suits. This year is no different. I'm sort of spicing my suit up a little bit with the pink. Obviously I normally use a little bit of pink in my suit. I have done for the last 2 or 3 years now. But for Donington we've got something extra special, so I think it looks great. It's really bright. Obviously the guys at RST I proudly help them support the FEC Cancer charity, so running a bit more pink, trying to raise awareness for that. Obviously they've got the pink knee sliders that all the guys are running, so yeah, I'm proud to support them, and also it'll look great on the race weekend.